What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at another job site, a new project. I don't know all the specs, but I do know a little bit so far. My brother's here. He's talking with the homeowner while we got the first piece of the project situated, marked and everything. We're going to start cutting the edges and building a retaining wall, flower bed, whatever you want to call it. So here's a little spec on the project. We're going to be building a retaining wall here with blocks 2 courses high, and we're going to be removing these boxwoods, hauling them away to our shop. Same thing with that plant down there. We're going to be hauling everything away, and these are staying. We're going to be fixing them there. My brother's going to back the truck in right now and unload the stakes and stuff. Right here, as you guys can tell, what I marked is pretty much what our wall is going to be. It's about 45 linear feet long by 2 courses high, and that's going to be it for the first part of the project. As soon as we get to the second part, I will show you guys a video of that, but for now this is it. So I'll show you guys that we get a little ahead of this, and we're going to start with the edger. I just want to get our mark in, that way we know where our retaining wall is going to be. So let's go. Check it out, guys. This is going to be the design of the flower bed. You guys can see it right here. I pretty much used the edger to make my nice landscaping cut line, and now we're going to start removing the soil, as you guys can tell right here. And then we're going to be doing this by hand right here. We're just going to excavate the area right here, because all this is going to be filled in. We're going to build a flower bed here, so it's going to look nice. So right now we're removing the dirt, and I'm going to go measure the blocks that we have right there. I'm going to go measure the blocks and see how wide we got to be with our base, and then we're going to go from there. But so far so good. We got to talk to the homeowner about heights and everything, see what he wants, what he's comfortable with. But this is pretty much our height right there, those lines. Everything is pretty much well excavated. We can go both routes. It doesn't matter for us. Either or works. But got that done, taken care of. And then this is the next part of the project. We're going to be doing a flower bed here. We got the blueprint right there. We're going to be doing a flower bed here. And then we're also going to be doing a flower bed all around this beautiful enclosed patio decking space here. Nice, that looks beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna mark right now where we're gonna be putting the flower bed here, and then I'll mark everything else, and then we'll go ahead and hit it with the edger real quick. So let's get this rolling. The guys were rototilling the pile of dirt that was here. We're gonna be just rough grading this, and we're gonna be creating a flower bed here somewhere around here. You guys can see the pan. I marked it, but when we rototilled it kind of went away. And then same thing right here, the flower bed. You guys can see the mark. We marked it. You guys can tell. All around here, flower bed. We're just gonna be creating the flower bed for them. They're gonna do everything else, plantations and stuff. I think they're taking care of that unless we convince them, upsell. But we are also gonna be putting downspouts. 1, I believe 2, 3, 4 downspouts on this property. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow too as well, hopefully. We might get a trencher, I don't know. We'll see, depending on how hard this soil is, because it's a new construction and you already know it's like straight clay. Look at this. Concrete. Like, really? Oh well, that's why we're here, right? But you guys can tell, we don't know if it's gonna be hard, so I'm considering getting a trencher in here and just trenching everything down to the downspouts, down to the bank over there, to the ditch. But that's it for now, guys. We're gonna be heading out. We're gonna be teaching Chicho how to drive with the trailer right now. Good little learning lesson for him. There we go. And then I'm gonna just go behind him, just in case. Guys, Beth is gonna start cutting. Got this set, rolling, ready to go. Gonna make some cuts. And then we're gonna be going around that pipe. We're gonna be going around it. We're gonna make sure they have access to that though. And then the guys are over here, pretty much trenching for the downspouts. We're gonna rent a trencher, but it's pretty quick right here. Half a day for them. But let's get in there, guys. Check it out. We got this one. We got this 20-footer here, and then a 20-footer over here. You guys can tell they're almost wrapped up with that. Just gotta dig some of that out. and then we'll connect the lines and everything. Give you guys another little update. We've been here about half a day. It's actually about 1 p.m. now, but pretty much half day. We're probably gonna be here all day. We're gonna send the guys out to another job site as soon as they're done with that. As you guys saw this pile of wood earlier when I recorded by here, we are actually gonna be building a flower bed. So I think we're gonna be building 2 flower beds, I believe, or something like that. 3, 4. Here, the paperwork's over here. So it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4 flower beds. Here's the cedar. We're gonna be making out of cedar wood. So I'm gonna get rolling on that. Beto's in the front doing that, and then Cristobal's over here finishing this up. We sent 3 more guys to go finish a mulching job. This is the progress we got done so far. We got the whole first tier, second tier started. These caps cut. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up this project, I guess. It is a hot one. It's about 6:30. We're calling it a day. We got the downspouts in. Got 1.5 done. The bottom one's done, and this one's half. Well, it's pretty much complete. 75%. Just gotta screw it in. But got the third one going in tomorrow. Got a lot done today. The guys were here earlier, but then they left. They just helped us dig the trench, and then they left to do a mulching job. So we just finished this up right now. Finished up for today. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow afternoon because we got some other stuff to do in the morning. So see you guys tomorrow whenever we come back to this site. Let's go. As we just came back to this property a couple hours ago, we're pretty much wrapped up with downspouts. I just finished up the second box, which was 75% done already. I just screwed it in, pretty much done. And then I'm on to the third one, which is the last one. And then we're also done with the downspouts over there. We already got everything covered up. You guys can tell it pretty much looks like we didn't do nothing over there. But there's downspouts there. And then Beto's almost wrapped up with the wall up there. So I'll show you guys a little bit. We actually did a couple cleanups and stuff this morning, so we just came back to finish this baby up, hopefully today. Check it out, guys. We're wrapping this project up. We got the guys filling in the garden beds. You guys can see we finished these babies up. Last week, we were off a couple of days from Memorial Day weekend, but we're wrapping this baby up. It's actually Tuesday now. We had a beautiful weekend. Gap's actually graduated this weekend. Congratulations to him. And then the guys pretty much brought topsoil in here and right there, and then we also brought some more topsoil in. That's actually bed mix right there that they're putting in. We got these trees here that I don't know if we're gonna plant or not, but we brought some dirt here to fill this in, raise this up. The guys are wrapping us baby up. I don't think we're gonna be doing anything in there. As far as I know we're gonna be transplanting those plants real quick. That's about it. But everything else is pretty much gonna stay like as is. They're gonna take care of that, and then we're just gonna put some more topsoil here, and we'll be wrapped up for the project pretty much. But guys are doing the last final cuts there, which is probably like 6 cuts, and we'll be done with this project. You guys can tell, actually the ground sunk right here. You guys can see, and the ground cracked, so it's like a big crack right here. I almost fell the other day. But this is a bed mix over here. Project here. This is a grade that we did here. The flower bed that's going in. I think there's a tree that's going in there, I believe. I'm not sure. We graded this out, and we also put some topsoil on this flower bed. Made it look nice, presentable, nice and curvy. Remember, guys, our downspouts are here. Same thing on that side. You got downspouts, and that's the bed right here. So beautiful little project that we were working on and off on that we are finally wrapping up. And it's coming along. So you guys can tell over here where the downspout was, where it is. Hopefully the grass kicks in, I guess. But that's it, guys. So we're 100% wrapped up with this project. We just finished putting in the dirt back there, the topsoil. We ended up putting more soil there, as well as more soil in that bed over there. We also ended up filling in the front, like I said, both front and back sides of the wall. Ended up filling it in with dirt. We're gonna come back and put a bigger pipe there, just because our grade was a little higher than we thought. And we also planted this redbud, what's it called, flamethrower. So pretty cool tree, beautiful tree. They are gonna have to put some stakes on it, so because you guys can tell, it's like bending a little bit. But check out the wall. We also raised this grade up That's our pop-up from our downspout there. We raised this grade up to allow water to flow away from the wall house. As you guys can tell, not enough space there either way. We also planted some, we didn't plant, but we finished the planters. We ended up making the last one a little bit bigger. And originally they were going to be that size, but we ended up reshaping them because there wasn't enough space here for everything we wanted to do as planned. So we had to change the plans up a bit, but it's fine. And then same thing right here. We ended up grading this up. You guys can tell how it was previously. Built a small flower bed here for the homeowner. I think they're going to plant one of the trees here, or something small there. As well as making this flower bed here. Raise that up back there. Same thing, graded it here. Downspouts are in. And here's the bed. So it's pretty much a run around piece of the project. I'm gonna take some pictures real quick and then I'm gonna head out. Check it out, guys. We're actually extending this piece here just so the homeowner doesn't have sitting water here. Espérate, te lo hubieras dejado. Te lo hubieras dejado para nomás conectarse la Kira esta.
Oh, pues no la miré.
Bueno, no, el codo va allá.
¿Eh?
El codo va allá.
No, pero ahí era
Por eso,
campana.
ahí era no está bien.
Bueno, pues no, me quedaron olvidado porque la pena la tiene la mía para el codo.
Yeah. Check it out, guys. Hay que limpiar la pipe.
¿Y por qué estamos pasando? Ah, porque nos pasamos.
Nice. Guys, check it out. The builders actually came back to fill in the low spots. Homeowner ended up putting some mulch here, rocks, and these nice tall grasses that look beautiful. Check it out. Homeowners actually planted these plants. The builder just came back to fix the low spots, like I mentioned. Plants look beautiful. Homeowner did a good job here, picking the right plants for this place, this spot. We're just fixing the pipe like I told you guys. Came back to fix that real quick. Let's check it out. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy the project. Please leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about the project? Did it suit the home? What do you guys think about the work that we performed? Just give me some feedback on your guys' experiences or questions on stuff. So yeah, guys, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.